Hello everyone, myself Jasmine from Group 4 and here we are together and excited to present our topic on a key technological transformation by Expedia Group. Allow me to introduce our team. Myself Jasmine, Tarang, Ashbit Kaur and Bani, Muhammad Irfan and Harshveer Singh. Together we have explored Expedia's migration to Amazon Web Services, that is AWS, and the strategic reasons behind their move. So I want to introduce about Expedia. So here are some key points of Expedia Group. First of all, it is one of the world's largest online travel agencies, founded in 1994 with its headquarters in Seattle, Washington. It operates through various business divisions including Trivago, Viavío and Agencia. Trivago specializes in hotel meta searches, guiding users to various online travel agencies. Whereas Vrbo leads the alternative lodging sector, offering unique rental properties. And on the other hand, Agencia handles corporate travel services globally. Together, these divisions make Expedia a powerhouse to the travel industry, and for millions of people, it is leading to their travel destinations efficiently and effectively. Now, for the further discussion, I want to welcome Ashbit.
Yes, myself Ashbit Kaur, and today I will introduce the purposes of this project. So the first purpose was scalability and faster deployment. By moving their software to the cloud, Expedia built a platform that allows them to deploy new applications and update much faster. This is essential in the travel industry, where being able to quickly adapt and innovative is the key to stay in the competition. The second point is global infrastructure support. Expedia chose AWS because it has the global infrastructure necessary to support their diverse customer base, particularly in the regions like Asia Pacific. This ensures their platform runs smoothly with higher availability and low latency, regardless of where their customers are accessing services. The third point is enhanced infrastructure support. With the move to the cloud, Expedia could harness powerful cloud-native tools like AI and machine learning. These tools allow them to personalize the travel booking experience, making it more tailored to the individual customer preferences, which keeps user engaged and loyal. And the last purpose was operational efficiency and competitiveness. The migration also helped Expedia reduce maintenance, cost, and streamline operations, freeing up resources to focus on innovation. In summary, this cloud migration was crucial for enabling faster deployment, supporting global customers, and enhancing user experience. So now Harshvin will come to introduce the objective of this project. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Harshvin. So I'm here to represent the objectives about the Expedia group. So the first is Expedia chose AWS to handle massive data, speed up to advanced app development, and fix issues faster. By building a consistent development approach, their teams can quickly set up the infrastructure needs for the new projects. And Expedia chose AWS over the other cloud providers because of its global infrastructure availability in the different zones, and which is crucial for supporting customers in regions like Asia Pacific. A great example of this is Expedia Suggest service, which was launched in just 3 months. ESS provides real-time suggestions based on customers' locations and booking history. So AWS also allows Expedia to manage high-demand applications more efficiently, and increasing CPU usage to up to 70% without worrying any server load. So here are some customer reviews which ensures the objectives.
Okay, Harsh. So everyone is talking about the Expedia's migration to AWS. So there must be some challenges that they have faced while migrating to AWS. Do you know which challenges are there?
Sure. So as Expedia is a big organization, there are some challenges. So the main challenges which Expedia faces development procedures and the outdated infrastructure. The company needed to improve the efficiency of its software and deployments and the modernization its physical data. To address these issues, Expedia turned to AWS. AWS offers the scalability, flexibility, and cost effectiveness they needed while ensuring the high standards of security and stability. Despite these challenges, do you know if Expedia is able to successfully migrate to AWS? If yes, what changes have occurred and what technologies they have used?
Okay, so Expedia successfully migrated 80% of its traffic from physical data centers to AWS. This migration significantly improved scalability, performance, and cost optimization. By adopting serverless architectures and utilizing AWS services, Expedia doubled its deployment velocity, allowing for faster product launches. Additionally, the move enhanced security, making its infrastructure more resilient and secure. Expedia achieved substantial cost savings and operational efficiency through this migration, positioning itself to meet growing customer demands more efficiently. So, when these were, the Expedia was changing into AWS, so the technologies they used were various AWS services. So they used Amazon EC2 for on-demand compute resources, Amazon RDS for managed relational database to improve operations, Amazon S3 for scalable storage, AWS Lambda have implemented serverless functions and reducing infrastructure management needs, while AWS Elastic Load Balancer ensured traffic was efficiently managed. So these were the resources and these were the outcomes, you can say, that Expedia experienced while they transferred from AWS.
Hello, my name is Mohammed Irfan. Today I am going to talk about timing and stats of the project. Expedia is one of the biggest names in online travel, starting moving their systems to AWS around the mid-2010s. By 2017, they made a huge commitment to move most of their critical applications and data to the cloud. The decision was all about becoming more efficient and improving customer experiences, like making the hotel bookings smarter and speeding up the payment processing times. For example, what used to take a day, make happens in seconds. Of course, moving everything wasn't easy. They had to update their old systems, train employees, and make sure the whole transition didn't disrupt their services. By 2018, they fully embraced AWS, and now 80% of their web traffic runs on it. This has made them faster, more flexible, and ready for more innovation. Today, Expedia is continuing to fine-tune its cloud setup and using new tools like machine learning to stay ready for future growth in the travel industry. And that's it. Now I invite Anbeni to talk about the risk of AWS management.
Hi there, myself Anbeni, and I am here to present the risk associated with migrating to AWS. While there are advantages associated with migration to AWS, the major downfall comes to two major factors, which is security and cost. But coming in depth, some of the risks associated with the migration of Expedia to AWS are as follows. The first one is service disruption. Migrating to AWS could lead to service outages, which might prevent customers from accessing services. This downtime could result in loss of revenue. And the next is data security and compliance. Moving in the cloud raises concern from data breaches and following rules like GDPR. Not complying could lead to fines and hurt the company's reputation. And the next is vendor lock-in. Relying too much on AWS make it hard to switch to other providers in the future. This might lead to less flexibility and higher long-term costs. And other factors that affected the migration are cost management and cloud management complexity. Now, when it comes to negative aspects of cloud migration, the challenges they face are integration challenges, performance variability, and cultural shift. When it comes to integration challenges, what it's meant by integration challenges is that migrating to older systems to the cloud might lead to compatibility issues. And the next point, performance variability, it simply means that cloud services can experience performance change because of shared resources. And the last, the transitioning to a cloud-based approach requires significant change in the organization, which may be with resistance. Now, I would like to call Karan to explain the last few slides.
Hello everyone, I am Taran Desai, and today I am going to discuss the rejected cases we find throughout the study. So the first is to test migration to Google Cloud, and this involves a hybrid cloud strategy. This means they did not fully outsource the data center, but rather combine the existing infrastructure with the cloud. For the purpose of the study, we are focusing on the examples that demonstrate full data center outsourcing, and this is the partial move, and we did not think it's met the requirement. The other case study is Dropbox shifted away from the AWS back to its private infrastructure, and this is the opposite of outsourcing. It actually involves more control of the own data centers rather than relying on the third-party provider. Since the goal of the case study is to analyze and outsourcing, Dropbox move didn't fit the scope we are aiming for, and the reason we choose AWS migration to Expedia because it provides a comprehensive and well-documented example of full outsourcing, enterprise data center outsourcing. It highlights the complexities and benefits of the moving and data center enterprise to a cloud. That's why we choose this, and these are the references. You can go online and check out the websites This is a lot of articles you can find for case studies. These are the other articles. And thank you everyone. Comments are welcome.